Part 2 starts with us in the water. I think we got starting to get touchdown. It's in the water now. So I completed the hull fairly quickly and it went in the water. The keels on the bottom I ended up leaving. I gave them a sand down and coated them with some anti-foul, and they're fine, they're solid enough, so I'll leave them. Well, as you can see, things have come on a little bit since the last video. It's made it in the water. No problems with any leaks whatsoever. I've done nothing inside. I've painted the top, 3 coats, and it's come out quite nicely. I've given 1 coat on this side here. The other side is done. The back, I've redone all the woodwork. This piece with the OSB on here is going to have some more plywood put on top of that. We've had some wood stain put on here and painted here. You can see down the side of the boat there's a load of blue. That's where I was trying to turn the boat round and I brushed against the paint and my trousers brushed all the way down the side of the boat, so I've got to redo, resand that and repaint that. Tested the engine, that works fine. There's not a lot else to show you really at the minute. I'm just trying to get the whole of this back piece completed so I can get the canopy up before the weather gets too bad. The front windscreen that goes here, I'm refurbishing at the moment, so that should go on within the next week or so. I had a day where it was a bit damp and I couldn't really do anything, so I thought I'd fire the engine up and take it out for a little run. And I took it down the river and it performed wonderfully. It's fairly quick, probably a bit too quick, so I might get rid of that 25 horsepower one. I'm not sure yet, but it was yeah, very good. I forgot to take a paddle with me, so I'm glad the engine held up and got me back okay. So I've got my swan friends still hanging around watching me. So I've been restaining this, so second coat of wood stain and protector on here, and I've been repainting this here. So that's all drying at the moment. This stuff dries very quickly. It's waterproof in about 20 minutes, which is good with this sort of weather. although it's not wet at the moment. I'll show you what I've been using. So, making no recommendations, but I'm using this Ronseal wood stain, natural oak. I've used this before and it comes out really nicely, usually this sort of colour, and if you put a few coats of varnish on top of it, it's really nice and shiny, which hopefully I'll be able to show you when it's done. If you've got wood that's a little bit marked, or a mixture of wood, you're probably better using a darker colour. The last boat I did had a mixture and I used dark oak on it and it came out really nicely. The only thing you have to watch when applying it is to apply it nice and evenly, especially when you've got the darker ones, otherwise it goes very, very streaky. I'm using this to paint the hull and the top of the boat. You probably can't see it very well because all the paint that's dripped down there. You can see there. And you can see where I got it from. They were very good and good quality paint at a good price. And it goes on really nicely. Now the other thing I've been using, a bit more of a cheapie, but I found this very good. So Oxford Blue, got this from B&M Home Stores, but it's really good exterior paint. And I've actually got this on the sides of the hull at the moment. See down there. And it's very solid, even when it's rubbing up against these tyres here, it's remained intact, hasn't flaked or anything. And that's it for the moment. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try and put more frequent updates on over the next few weeks.